I bought this headphone from local Lidl store. This HP Bluetooth headset, and I'm totally shocked with the performance. Let's get into the video. I recently purchased this Bluetooth headset from local Lidl store, and this is basically for my office purpose, and I am totally shocked with the performance. So inside the package, you'll only get a Bluetooth headset plus a USB charger, which is for the charging. The pairing is super easy. Just turn on the Bluetooth on this device and turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and pair it. The connection is super fast, and with Bluetooth 5.0, the speed and the range is also pretty nice. This has an inbuilt microphone which comes with a noise reduction feature, and the call quality is brilliant. So it works with Skype, Zoom, Microsoft Teams. So if you're using this for office purpose, I would say there's no problem at all during the call. Even in fact, in the noisy environment, you get a super clear call quality. With one single charge, this can give 20 hours of playback. The sound quality is very amazing, and you will experience a superb sound quality with this headset, and with soft cushion. Even it doesn't hurt your ear too much. So it's compatible with smartphone, tablet, PC and other devices which runs on Bluetooth. The build quality is also very good, and it is highly recommended. I will share the link in the description below. I would say with this price range, this is one of the best headset you'll get for your home office purpose. And also, if you enjoy listening music, this headset is also very good for listening to the music. Fits well, cover my entire ear, and the sound quality is amazing. So friends, that's all in this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you have any comments, feel free to write down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.